Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. We are happy to announce that a phone company that we've been using for 3 years now, going on December of 2020, has now introduced unlimited talk and text. And I know a lot of folks that are looking for more affordable ways to have wireless service have always had that one knock on Mint Mobile. And right now, if you go to their page, mintmobile.com, and we will attach a promo code to the description of this video where you can get other perks as well. But right now, when you go to their website, they're going to first tell you that they'll give you a free Ninja Loop. I personally don't need these, but some folks that like to have the one-hand use of the phone want to have something that will make it easier to hold. Personally, I don't have this issue. You can either use both hands, or if you need one hand, I mean, if the phone is too big on your hands, then yes, but that's not an issue. But anyway, they're giving that to you. But here we go. Nationwide coverage for less. And it's right on their front page when you go to their website now. They're giving you unlimited talk, text, and data for $30 a month. You also have to look into your current unlimited quote-unquote plan, and the reason is because there's no such thing under the sun as unlimited. It's going to be capped. Some are capped at, like AT&T and Cricket are capped at 22 gigabytes. So their unlimited quote-unquote plan at 22 gigabytes is, after that, they either throttle you down. A lot of companies do this. Verizon does this. T-Mobile does this, who's now Sprint and T-Mobile. But in this case, I think it's very reasonable because their unlimited plan, quote-unquote, gives you 35 gigabytes of data. And that's down here, folks. Unlimited plan customers are using 35 gigabytes a month will experience lower speeds. Your video is going to be streamed at 480p. Personally, if you're looking at a video on a phone, this is not a big deal. I know you're thinking 480. Oh my goodness, that's when I had my tube TV. It's not the case with the phone. The resolution 480 is not bad at all on a phone that you're holding in your hand. So before this was available, where you see new, you had 3 gigabytes, you had 8 gigabytes, and 12 gigabyte plans for $15, $20, and $25 a month. So what they're giving you now is basically this plan with 35 gigabytes for $5 more a month. I mean, it's a steal. If you were on this plan and you feel that you were running out of data. So, I mean, there's not a lot of people out there like this, but if you are, if you feel that 12 gigabytes was not enough for you and you were paying $25 a month and you were on this plan because it was very attractive as far as affordability, now they're giving you 35 gigabytes of data for $5 more versus 12. Okay, so it's significant. So add 23 gigabytes to this and you got your 35 and only paying $5 more a month. Here's another cool thing. If you have a 5G phone, their network is going to automatically upgrade you to 5 gigabytes of data or 4G LTE, whichever is strongest. And this is really a game changer, folks, because now with T-Mobile and Sprint being together, one network, think of all the towers that T-Mobile already owned to begin with, and now you're adding all of Sprint's towers to their network. From what I've read recently, they're gunning for Verizon as far as being the top dog in wireless. And I believe they will achieve it as far as T-Mobile goes. Now, with Mint Mobile, you are on T-Mobile's network automatically. So you're going to have the same reception that anyone that's on T-Mobile, Sprint, which is now one whole network, whatever reception they had, you're going to have it, but you're going to have it prepaid. No credit checks with their plan. They're not going to do a background check on you or anything like that. You're going to get unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage. You're going to, if you have a 5G phone on your hand that is unlocked or is a T-Mobile phone, you will be able to tap into 5G. That's really cool. Or 4G LTE, whichever of the two is the strongest in that particular area. So here we go. Here's where they're telling you that. All plans are going to include 5G for free. And if you haven't tried them, go ahead and try them out. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I personally have been a Mint Mobile customer. I'll tell you what, they weren't always Mint Mobile. At the beginning, they were called Mint SIM. And if you look back in my video history here on YouTube, you will see that I made a video way back, December of 2017, when I first started using their service. They were called Mint SIM. I really see a lot of good things happening with Mint Mobile, especially now that Ryan Reynolds bought shares in the company. This just happened recently where he bought shares in the company, and now they're giving you 5G for free. They didn't have to do this. They're letting you tap into that, and now, of course, they have an unlimited plan to go toe-to-toe with the other wireless companies out there that are prepaid and offering also this type of service as far as unlimited. So if you are using, for example, Consumer Cellular or even Google's phone wireless service, they're gunning for these folks. $30 a month, $1 a day. Think about that for a minute. $1 a day for unlimited 35 gigs of data. By the way, it also includes 5 gigabytes of this 35 that they're giving you here. They'll let you use 5 gigabytes to use your phone as a hotspot. So if you have a laptop or an iPad and it's a Wi-Fi device, but you want to use internet wherever you get Mint Mobile service, you can use hotspot now. There's 2 ways to go about this. You can bring your own phone. And the way it works is if you have a T-Mobile phone or an unlocked phone, bring it in to them, or you can just buy one on their site. That's really cool too. Okay? So you can keep your current phone number. They'll transfer it over. You can check them out just about everywhere. The reviews are just incredible. And don't just take it from me, because I've been using them almost 3 years. Look around the internet and you'll see that you'll find more reviews on them. Like I said, just because we've been partnering with them, I'm going to give you a promo code that you can use down below. Use that promo code and it will give you whatever extra perks that are in their system at the time, and you'll be able to see that as well. And look at this. I mean, if you haven't been on their website recently, and now they have a family plan too, which they didn't have when I signed up. So they now have family plans where you can have like everyone in your family on one bill instead of having different accounts, put it that way. So check them out. If you haven't done so already, please check it out. Like I said, down below you'll see our promo code that you can just click on the link. It'll take you to Mint Mobile, and whatever promo they have at that moment, you'll be a part of it as well. You can check their FAQs, frequently asked questions, and all that good stuff. But Do check them out. I believe, I don't know where it is on their website, but I believe they also will send you a SIM card where they'll put like 500 megabytes of data for $5 just for you to try it out and see if you like their plan. So you can even get that for $5, try it out, see what the reception is like, to download a video or check the internet, etc. So they have all these plans. Currently, me personally, I use the 8 gigabyte a month plan for 20 bucks. So I pay $240 a year and I get 8 gigabytes a month. But if you go with this plan, just take the $30, multiply times 12. You're going to pay $360 a year and have unlimited plan with 35 gigabytes a month. Guys, I can't stress it enough. I'm really excited that I have been part of Mint Mobile for almost 3 years, like I said before. We are currently in September, so in a few more months I'll hit the 3 years with them. I couldn't be happier. I am extremely ecstatic and extremely happy with their service. In the almost 3 years that I've used their plan, I have never, ever had to pick up the phone or send an email to customer service or support for any reasons, whether it's bad reception, phone not working with their network, nothing. So I have called them or reached out to them a total of 0 times in almost 3 years. So guys, check them out. If you have any questions or you want to tell us about the service, since you've been using it, if you are a current user, please put it in the comments below. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that today. It would help support our channel. Thank you very much. You all have a great day.